Why is my car's alignment off, and how can I fix it? A misaligned car can lead to uneven tire wear, reduced fuel efficiency, and compromised handling and safety. Understanding the causes and solutions for a misaligned car is essential for maintaining a smooth and safe driving experience. In this video, we'll explain why your car's alignment may be off and how to fix it. So, before starting the video, please like this video, do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. Why car alignment gets off. Normal wear and tear. Over time, various components in your car's suspension system can wear out, leading to misalignment. This includes parts like control arms, bushings, and tie rods. Regular maintenance can help detect and address these issues before they affect alignment. Potholes and bumps. Hitting potholes, speed bumps, or other road irregularities can jar your vehicle's suspension and throw off its alignment. Even minor impacts can gradually cause alignment issues if left unattended. Curbs and obstacles. Accidentally scraping or hitting a curb can easily knock your wheels out of alignment. This is common in parking lots or tight urban environments. Symptoms of misaligned wheels. Before you attempt to fix a misaligned car, it's essential to recognize the symptoms of misalignment. Uneven tire wear. Misalignment often leads to uneven tire wear. Inspect your tires for signs of wear on one side or in specific areas. Cupping or scalloping of the tread can indicate alignment problems. Steering wheel off-center. A misaligned car may have the steering wheel off-center when driving straight. To check, drive on a level road and briefly let go of the steering wheel. If the car drifts in one direction, the alignment is likely off. Poor handling. Misalignment can affect your car's handling and stability. You may notice that the vehicle feels less responsive or less stable when taking corners. How to fix a misaligned car. Inspect the tires. Before making any alignment adjustments, inspect your tires for damage or uneven wear. If the tires are significantly worn or damaged, replace them first. It's essential to have good tires for a proper alignment. DIY alignment checks. You can perform some basic alignment checks at home to get a sense of the problem's severity. These checks include steering wheel centering. Drive on a level road. Let go of the steering wheel briefly and see if the car drifts to one side. If it does, note which way it drifts. Tire inspection. Inspect your tires for uneven wear patterns. You can use a tread depth gauge to measure the depth of the tread across the tire's width. If there are significant differences, it indicates misalignment. Professional alignment. For precise alignment adjustments, it's best to visit a professional auto shop or mechanic with the necessary equipment. They can perform a wheel alignment using specialized tools and make precise adjustments to bring your wheels back into the correct alignment. Types of alignments. There are different types of wheel alignments, including four-wheel alignment. This aligns all four wheels and is often recommended for all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive vehicles. Thrust angle alignment. It checks if the rear wheels are properly aligned with the front wheels. It's important if your vehicle has had rear-end damage or if you've recently hit a curb. Alignment cost. The cost of a wheel alignment can vary depending on your location and the type of alignment needed. Front-end alignments are generally less expensive than four-wheel alignments. It's advisable to obtain quotes from multiple auto shops to ensure a fair price. Regular maintenance. To prevent future alignment issues, it's essential to stay on top of regular vehicle maintenance. Rotate your tires regularly, have your suspension components checked, and perform alignment checks at recommended intervals or whenever you hit a significant bump or pothole. Test drive. After a professional alignment or DIY adjustment, take your car for a test drive to ensure that it drives straight, doesn't pull to one side, and the steering wheel is centered. In conclusion, a misaligned car can lead to various issues, including uneven tire wear, reduced handling, and poor fuel efficiency. Recognizing the symptoms of misalignment and addressing them promptly is crucial for maintaining a safe and comfortable driving experience. While some basic alignment checks can be performed at home, it's best to have a professional alignment done for precise adjustments. Regular maintenance and careful driving can help prevent alignment issues in the future, ensuring that your car stays on the straight and narrow. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.